Guys, I was scrolling through my phone again, and you know I'm going to find a adorable video of Parker if I just scroll far enough. Guys, I found another cute one. It may be cuter than the first one. I don't know. You guys tell me.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, K, K, L, M, N, O, P, U, R, X, Y, and Z. Now I know you're ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Am I right? You tell me. Was that not the cutest video you have ever seen in your entire life? I particularly love the little burp in the middle of the ABCs. I feel like it should be a part of the ABCs every time we say them now. Which one do you think was cuter, the Pledge of Allegiance to the Frog or the AB burps? The ABC burps. I'm not sure. They're both so cute.